Hi guys, it's your girl Vanny here, and guess what? I can finally say it. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very different from the last. Today's video is about makeup and how I do my makeup in like 10 minutes when I need to be ready, like now, like when I need to be somewhere, like now. I'll try my best to go through everything step by step. It'll be very simple because it's not much. You're not even going to need foundation. All the products that I'm going to use are very easy to come by. You can get them from your local Boots or Superdrug. Primark, some of the products are from Primark as well. And they're not expensive, they're very affordable. I like to keep my coins. Now, let's get started. I'm just going to clip my hair back. That way it stays out of my face, out of my mouth, out of everywhere. Next, I just get my spoolie brush, or like the spoolie end of this eyebrow pencil that I got from Primark for about £1 to brush my eyebrows. You can even use a fine tooth comb. You can use anything as long as it works for you, that's fine. I just brush upwards and kind of try to shape them with the spoolie brush. Now I'm going to outline my eyebrows with a dark brown eyebrow pencil, not a black one. You can use black if you want, but then it doesn't make it look natural, because remember, we're going for that quick natural makeup look where you don't really look like you're wearing makeup, but then you look awake basically. I alternate between two dark eyebrow pencils that I have. This one's from Primark, was about £1. This one's from NYX. Yeah, you can see that it's my favorite, so tiny now. Oh my god. But yeah, this one's from NYX and it's in the color dark brown. The number is SPE 903. Basically, it's really nice. I use it for my lips sometimes as well. I don't really care. It says eye and eyebrow, but you know, go against the rules sometimes. Just like that. And then my other one, just so I can make sure that they are aligned. So you can already tell how the eyebrows going to turn out. So now I'll go over the tops of both of them. Don't start from like here, start from like somewhere here, just to make it look natural. There you go. I'm going to just fill them in right now, but I wouldn't press it too hard, just slight brushes, just so they look filled in. Same other side. And stroke like that, just to keep the hairs in place. The next thing I do is clean it up with some concealer. Today I'm going to be using my NYX one, which is literally struggling to live, gasping for air because I've squeezed the life out of it. It's just so good, it's really nice. So this is in the color GCCC09 Deep Profonde. Really good, really creamy. The color's nice enough for my skin tone as well. For the concealer on my eyebrows, I use an angled brush, and you should too. I take God, they beg you, please use an angled brush for your eyebrows. We need crisp, clean eyebrows out here. Not, okay, I don't want to be rude. By angled, I mean like this. So like clean cut at an angle, and not like this. Do you see the difference? You just need a little bit of concealer, just like this much. I find doing the bottom bit easier than the top bit. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah. Line it. So I need total concentration when I do this part. One wrong move and you're out of the game. You're out. There we go. You can already see the difference. Just going to do the other side now. Let's pray for God's guidance. And make sure they're like, you know, in line. Like that. Let's put some concealer underneath here. And I don't start it from here, just like when you were drawing it on, don't start from the very beginning, start from, just go a bit back, just to have that natural look, basically. I can't even see. This is where you really need, like this is where the angled brush comes into great use. All of this would be so hard to do without an angled brush. We did it! Now we're going to blend the concealer out. I'm just using a foundation and contour brush that I got from Primark. It's in the number 110. I like to blend upwards as well into the eyebrow a little bit, just so I don't have any like harsh black line. Blend, blend, blend. Blend out the top bit. You even already look like you're wearing makeup when it's just like pencil and concealer. Right, so you can see the difference. After that, I just put some concealer under my eyes. That way you just look awake. You don't need to put too much, just a little bit. Use whatever concealer. I don't like to, sometimes I use the one I use to do my eyebrows, but then lately I've been using this one from Maybelline. I forgot which shade. It's Maybelline Fit Me concealer. That's all I can tell you guys about it. Not too much. I also just do this for when I don't want to wear too much makeup, and just maybe a little bit here and here. And now we blend. Make sure you blend, 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 blend. Blend up into your eye, over your eyelid, a little bit over your nose. I know you do the same for the other side. I'm going to move on to the eyes. Sometimes I don't add eyeshadow, sometimes I do, depends on how I'm feeling. But I'm basically I just use this dark color from this palette from Revolution. It was like £4. Yeah, just use this dark brown into my eyelid. Brown because I like that nude look. I like that look that's like, oh, I'm not wearing makeup, but I really am. You can barely even see it. Woo! You took out my eye there. Christ. I'm just gonna say e.l.f. From e.l.f. It's 3-in-1, waterproof. I like the way it just brings my eyelashes out because I have small eyelashes. My eyelashes are so curly. Wearing lashes is a struggle, like literally. And don't forget the bottom lashes. It makes a very, very big difference. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but in real life it makes a very big difference. Up next, the loops. So I use the same dark brown pencil that I use for my eyebrows, for my lips, when, you know, I'm just trying to be quick. And then I go over it with my favorite nude lip gloss from NYX. This is in the NYX Butter Gloss range. This is in the color Ginger Snap. Perfect nude for black girls. Secret Hat Sauce. Just letting you in on it. Time for some highlighter. You gotta be shining, shining everywhere, shining, shining, shining. I mixed this gold highlighter from Revolution. It's called Gold. It is really, really gold. I mixed it with this eyeshadow, this color from the Revolution palette Reloaded Iconic Division. This is my go-to all the time. Highlighter brush that I also got from Primark. It's called Large Fan Brush in the number 118. Very affordable. On my nose. This is my special spot. This is what I always start with. And you can already see the difference. You know, you're glowing. I need to get underneath, top bit, go around. You see it there? You see it? Then I go over with the highlighter brush. Just like that. And then underneath the eyebrow. Gosh, you can already see the difference. And obviously, the spot, your cheekbones. Cheekbones gotta be glowing, man. Let's use the Revolution. Oh my god, you can already see the difference. This is gold. I think this is like a dupe of Rihanna's of the Fenty Trophy Wife, because it's so yellow. I just use a little bit because it is really yellow. Look. Go over the top of my lips, chin, yeah, that's enough highlighter, unless I want to be blinding people. And we're already at the last thing makeup wise, which is setting spray. I use this Flawless Mist and Fix matte finish from Barry M. It's about £4.50 or £5. I get it from Superdrug. Shake it up. Just dry it off. And it's really good to use setting spray if you use the baking powder. That's literally everything done with the makeup side. You just put on concealer, lip gloss, some mascara, and you're done. Good to go outside. I'm just going to touch up my hair right now, do my edges a little bit, because I plan on taking some pictures after this. I'm not going to let this look go to waste. No. If you feel like you have the time or you want to, you can obviously add eyelashes. If I'm going to work or something, I'm not going to wear lashes, but right now I'm going to get me some lashes.
Yeah, about vacation, flight catching, train taking.
And now both lashes on. I'm just going to lay my edges down with Got To Be Ultra Glued styling gel. Just going to straighten it now. You can already see the difference, like this is no foundation. Can you imagine? Like, why didn't I find this sooner? I was always late to college because I would do full, you know, foundation face and contouring and highlight and all of that. Swoop. Need it to be swooping in. Oh, look at that swoop. Oh. I just used the hairspray from L'Oreal just to keep it all in place. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope I was able to give out some helpful and useful information. If you have any questions, just DM me or comment down below. I will answer. I will give you all the info, as much information as I can. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. I have all the details up here. And I just want to say as well, thank you guys so much for all the support on my first video, the Black Friday haul video. I wasn't expecting that many people to actually watch it, like it, and like give me, you know, all the good feedback that you're giving me. Thank you so much. Your support goes a long way. And now I'm out. See you at my next video.
Anytime we do this, I know they feel the same again.